viewers, welcome back to my channel Radhika TechHub. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to import our Excel file and display the data which is present in the Excel in the table. In the last video, we discussed our table data exported into an Excel sheet. Now we will discuss how to import and how to display the data which is present in the Excel sheet. Let's start our coding. Before going to code, we have to install our npm, that is Excel, and we will use the utils method which is present in the Excel. This is what we are discussing now. So utils.sheet to JSON, the sheet which is the Excel sheet, the data which is present in that will be converted into a JSON, and that JSON data we will display in our table. So we will import one file. So we created one import Excel file, and we will import in our app.js. So when we upload the file, we have to check the file type which it is. So it is an Excel sheet, or if not, they are imported, they are uploaded, the sheet is not Excel. So it is different one. So we have to throw an error. Only we have to pass the Excel, right? So for that we have to check. Before that we will create one input field. Justify center. I am taking to be in center. Like scroll I am taking, here it is. So you have to create one input file with the type of file. So I am taking file, and will create one table to display our data. In the head I am already created one Excel sheet with ID, name and email. And we have to create a T body, right? So for this I will create one use state. Excel data set Excel data equals to use state I am taking here. So here, when the data is present in the Excel data, means it has to display the data, otherwise it will display like no data is present. No user data is present. Okay. So when I am upload here, we have to check the file. Before that, we will see the output once. So there is no file. At that time, we will apply the condition. So we will check the file first. So of that on change, we'll declare as a handle change function, and we'll create our handle change function. And we have to import our Excel, right? For this, I will use the utils comma read, which is present in this. So first, when I am importing or uploading a file, we have to check. So for this, we'll create first one const file, nothing but a file type. We have to check, right? For this, I'm taking here const selected file equals to e dot target dot file of 0. We'll take only one file, right? For this, if selected file means it will come into this here. So we'll see the output once. Selected file dot type. So first we will see, we'll upload the file and we will see the which type of file it is. First we'll inspect. So we'll browse one file. See here, I'm book 13. I'm uploading here. Sorry, we have to take as a files. So you can see that spreadsheet XML dot sheet. When I upload the another Excel, so you can see the user info. When I am uploading here, the type is different. So we will consider these two types. You can also take which type of file it is having in your system. So take the type and add here, which we are taken as a file type here. So I'm considering two types because we are checking the Excel sheet. Now we'll check here. So when we upload the file is present or stored in selected underscore file means, so it is true. When we are not upload any file means it doesn't consist any value. So at that time, if it is consisting a value means, we will get into the if condition and we will check the file is Excel sheet or else some other file. So selected file, and we will consider the file type which we are taking here. File type dot includes of selected file type. If it is matched with what we have been considering the types, means then only it will accept and it will read the data. Otherwise it will throw an error, or it will show an error like only excel sheets are accepted, like that we will throw. So we'll put here like, or else we will throw as here we will consider only. So please upload excel type file or excel files. So we will check. I will upload an image. So you can see here, please upload only excel file. It has been told like this. When I upload different one, either image or anything else, only excel sheets to be considered. Now we will read that here equals to new file reader. Now we'll read the taking of file dot onload. So which we have to take here is, so now we will take as a workbook as a name. So read, which is the one method of which we are installed excel. So this is the one method to read that. So we are taking the excel sheet. So result. So we have to select our sheets. Automatically the names which we present is in the form of sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, like that. So we'll take one sheet to which is the initial one. So for that we will take as a constant sheet, we are taking as a name. So workbook dot sheet names, which we are taking now. If the length it is present without empty, when this will const, I am taking as a data, we will use the utils method now. And I already shown that we are converting to the JSON. So sheet to JSON. And we are taking the data, right? For that workbook dot sheets of which we are taking as the initial sheet, right? For that one, sheet of 0. Initial one we will reading initial one. So after reading, we will store it in the use state which has been initialized already. Set excel data of data I am storing here now. So make it as a blob. So reader dot read as array buffer of which we've been selecting file. So now we are being here. I'm already present email also, so I'm taking his email. So first we'll check the output, it is coming or not. So now there is no data, so it is presenting as a no user data is present. So when I am uploading the file, see here in this data it is present. I will open the file once. You can see, here there is an ID, name and email. So here also we can see the ID, name and email which is present in our Excel sheet. So here we are converted the sheet, the data which is present in the Excel sheet, we are converting into the JSON and we are storing in the Excel sheet. And from the Excel sheet we are doing map and we are displaying the data. So if I am selecting an image also, it will display that the thing it is not related to the Excel sheet, please upload a Excel sheet. So it will display in the, so we will throw the error, we will save in the use state one, we will take that and we will display there, it's better. So here I am Excel error I am taking here. So here we will set the error in that. Where we are throwing here is this. So here is the error and we'll make it as here set. So the data is presenting, right? So we'll make it as a null here. Now we'll check once again. So no user data is present here. So at this time we will display the error also. For this one we will make it as a condition here. Excel error not equals to Portland. When it is here means we will make it as we'll check once. Please upload only Excel file because we are uploaded the image now. Once we'll check again. So for the initial one, there is no data in the Excel data used state. So now it is displaying no user data is present. When I am uploading here, first we will upload one file. When I am uploading here, the data is representing. When I am uploading an image, see, please upload only Excel. Now we will check the file type, which it is an Excel sheet or an image. Whether the Excel sheet means it will represent the data which is present in the excel sheet. If it is not an excel sheet, is the image or something else, it will represent only we can upload on the excel files. So this is the how we will check the file type which it is, like excel or something another file it is. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like me and comment me, and click on the bell icon. It will give the notifications for which I am uploading new videos.